Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with CashFlow Manager, complete guide step by step clearly. Open CashFlow Manager on your device. Create a new account if you are a first-time user. Log into your account using your credentials. Familiarize yourself with the user interface. Locate the dashboard where you'll see an overview of your finances. Select the budget section on the main menu. Click on Create New Budget to start the budgeting process. Choose the time frame for your budget. Decide whether you want to budget monthly, quarterly, or annually. Input your expected income for the chosen period. Add different income sources like salary, freelance work, or investment returns. Next, move on to entering your fixed expenses. List your essential costs such as rent, utilities, and insurance. After fixed expenses, add variable expenses. Include categories like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Review your total income against your total expenses. Adjust your budget as necessary to ensure you're not overspending. Consider setting aside a portion for savings. Allocate funds for your savings goals like emergency funds or vacations. Once your budget is set, click Save. Monitor your budget regularly to stay on track. Record any transactions throughout the budgeting period. Use the Reports feature to analyze your spending trends. Adjust your budget as needed based on your spending habits. At the end of the budgeting period, evaluate your financial performance. Identify areas for improvement in your next budget cycle. Utilize these insights to create a more effective budget next time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.